Welcome. In this video, we are going to learn about how to create Facebook banners or Facebook covers. So I have some example over here. As you can see, like there is a 4 banners. So let's say if you are like freelancer or you make content like me, then you can make this kind of Facebook covers. Or I seen some of people they use like really simple Facebook covers like this, like simple freelancing cover. Or if you are like a mechanic or a car designer, something like that, then you can use these simple covers. And in some cases people have like their resume type covers, like they have their details, what they do, their name, social media handles and all that. And after that I was searching for some Facebook covers, so I got to know about this Facebook covers of McDonald's. So as you can see, it is like really simple and minimalistic and it looks really subtle. If your brand is kind of like this or your client's brand is like this, they just have one single tagline, then you can use this kind of covers. And after that, I already told you about some minimalistic Facebook covers like this one. So in today's video, we are gonna create a Facebook cover. So as you can see, I have this is a Facebook account, and on this I don't have any like Facebook cover. I have, but it is like really weird. I think I changed it like 6-7 years ago, and after that I didn't change it anything. So it looks really weird. So in today's video, we are gonna make a Facebook cover from the scratch. So let's go to Canva and let's search for Facebook cover. So in my case, I already searched for it. So let's go and type Facebook cover. Okay, so we get these templates, like this really crazy templates. If you don't have any time, you can just go choose any template you like and just drag and drop some pictures and add your name and all that. From that, you can create your Facebook poster or Facebook cover within a minutes. But if you are doing it from the scratch, like I am doing over here, so in this case, it is gonna take some time. So before we design our cover, there is a thing I have to tell you. This is really important. So here is a template for your Facebook cover. So as you can see, this is a safe zone. If you design your poster according to this template, then it is going to be okay. If you design your poster according to this page, like this whole page, then there is some chances it is going to be trimmed out. So you don't want to get that problem, then use this template. Okay, now let's design our cover from the scratch. So I'm gonna keep as it is, or we will just add it for reference. First, let's choose the background color for it. So let me decrease the transparency of this image. Okay, so now we can add things like my image, my details, and also the name and what I do, things like that. So let's go elements, because I have to add a grid or frame. So as you can see in grid, we are getting that boxes. So if you want to show something really important, then drag that into like middle box like this. So in this case, I want to show my face. So that's why I'm dragging my face into this box, in middle box. Okay, so it is cropped now. Now let's add what I do, what is my profession and all that. Let's go to text and headline. Okay, so text is added. So as you can see, this text is out of the box, out of the safe zone. We have to drag it in the inside of this box like this. Okay, so now let's add some arrows. So this is my creative choice. If you want to make your design a little bit different, then you can do that. Arrows, and I think I'm gonna go with this one. I think I'm gonna go with this Liagui pattern, and same with this one. And let's change the font color into white. I just want to keep my design minimalistic, so that's why I'm choosing only 2 colors. So this is the red one and also this white one. After that, what we can do is that we can add some round circle behind this image, so it will give you that really cool vibe. Okay, in elements we have that. I think this one, I already searched for it, that's why it is showing me. You can just search for circle, then you will get that image. So this one, or you can use this one. So let's use this one and let's set it backward. Okay, so this is kind of big, so let's make it small and let's add it into center. Okay, so this is gonna be our frame or border for our image. Okay, so we got this huge space, like this huge space over on the left as well as on the right, so we can add our details like my name as well as my some details. So let's do that. Let's add text, subheading, and so I'm gonna add my name over here, and on this side I'm gonna add some of my details like my email ID, my contact number, as well as my website. So I'm not going to actually add my original details. For demonstration purpose, I will add something random, but after that I will change it if I want to upload this into my Facebook account. Okay, so I think everything is in the frame inside this box. Let me drag this a little bit downward. I think we can delete this now template. So or we can decrease the transparency. So as you can see, this is looks like this, but there is like a lots of things are missing, so I'm gonna keep as it is for now. So let's go to elements and let's choose some elements, like some graphical elements like the boxes or the some abstract like that. So I think in element section, this is the section where we get those abstract. So it totally depends on you. You can use any abstract, but I'm gonna use this one. Let's change the color into white, and I will keep it like this. Hold Alt and copy or duplicate this one, and let's decrease the size like this. Let me delete this one because I want precise, so that's why I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, so it looks kind of like really awesome. Now I think this is not in the center, so let's add in the center. Okay, it is now in the center. Because of the guides we got to know where is the center. Now we can add like social media logos over here. Okay, so as you can see, we have this logo, but it is like kind of borderish logo. It does not have that thickness as compared to this Instagram logo, so I'm going to choose this one. But I think Canva gives us the option to change the color. So as you can see, it is blue, so I'm going to change it into white. And I think we can add another one that is going to be Facebook. Let's go with Facebook, or you can add YouTube. So let's go and add YouTube. Okay, so we got everything, every logos. So let's shrink it down. Okay, so now select all of them. Select your first icon. There is Instagram icon. Hold Shift, then LinkedIn icon, then Twitter icon, then YouTube icon. So we only selected this 4 icon. Now let's go to position and tied up, so it will arrange on its own, and we can just drag it like this. Okay, so everything is done now, I guess. So this is like really simple or minimalistic Facebook cover. If you want to make some awesome covers, then you can do that, but I just wanted to keep this simple. Like I just wanted to show what I do, what is my profession, also our social media handles, and some of my details like email ID, website, contact number, and address. Now if I remove this template, so this is how our final output looks. Now let's go to Facebook and let's change this cover. Edit cover photo, select I think I will upload. First we need to download this, so let's first download that. Share, download. I will download as a PNG. Okay, now let's go to Facebook, edit cover photo, select a photo or upload a photo, upload photo, then choose your design. So as you can see, we added our design on the screen, but we have to adjust it. Okay, so click on the save changes. If you want to reposition it, you can just go to edit cover photo and reposition, and you can just reposition like this and save changes. So that's how you can create banners or Facebook covers in Canva. So let's say you have brands like you sell some electronic bands or smartphones, then in that case what you can do is that you can create let's say you are selling brand new like watch, smartwatch, then you can add on Facebook cover or your watch some details of that watch, and the sale details, and the little bit about the watch details, like what kind of processor it has, how much the battery life, and all the basic things. So because of that you will get attraction, or you will get more sales, I guess. So that's how you can use covers to do marketing also. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.